Hi there, guys. Here's your Chapter 11 test. Wish you the best of luck. Let's get right into it here in question number. By the way, you're only doing the circled questions, and on your answer sheet, I even X'd out the ones you're not to do, so that way we make sure we get through it. Okay, here number one, we're just going to subtract these two matrices, okay? Remember, you're taking 4 minus 3. And -1 minus -1, 7 minus 2, 3 minus 6. Okay? If you remember, you know your answer is going to be in a box. It'll be a 2 by 2 like that. And if you're not sure how to put it into the edge elastic here, let me know and I'll make sure we press the right button. Okay? That's question number one. Question number two is the same exact thing. The only difference is we're a 3-row by 2-column. Okay, we're subtracting again. So again, you're just going top left minus top left, top right minus top right, and so on. Question number 3, we need to multiply. Okay, so you want to make sure you're going to take 4 times all 3 of these to get your answer. Number 4, same thing, we're multiplying. Just because there's a lot of numbers there, it doesn't make it hard. You're just going to multiply him to everybody in there, okay? If you have a question, make sure you let me know. We're skipping 5 and 6 to the next page. Yes, so number 7, now we're multiplying. This is a 2 by 1 times a 3. Or excuse, I screwed that up. Hold on here. Hold on. Let's rewrite that. This is a 1 row by 3 column times a 3 column by 1 row. And this works because these numbers are the same. Okay? So, you want to go ahead and make sure you multiply. First one by here, and by here, and by here, and then so on. Okay, distribute them all to all of them. Okay. Question number 9. Same thing, we're multiplying. So make sure we go, when we do multiply here, first row times first column, and first row times second column. Okay, so your answer, it's going to be a 2 by 2. Remember, you're going to have row 1, column 1, row 2, column 2, or row 1, column 1 there. There we go. And actually, I messed that up too. Hold on. Sorry about that. We went row 1, column 1, row 1, column 2. So when you multiply these, take all your answers and add them together or combine them. That's going to give you each one. Then we're going to go row 2, column 1, and row 2, column 2. Okay, so just be real careful and organized with your answers. In number 10, we want to write the first 6 terms of the sequence. So you simply want to plug in 1 for the n in each one of these. That'll give you the number. Then you plug in a 2 for n, 3 for n, and so on to get the first 6 numbers in the sequence. Okay, here we are on page 3, and we're on number 12 and 13. Okay, again, you're to write number 12, you're to write the first 6 terms again, just like we did in the other one. Just plug in the number in where the n is. So it's going to be 8 minus 3 times 1, or 3 times 2, and all the way down through the first 6. Moving on to number 13, you want to find the sum of the series. the sum of the series. All we got to do is, if we're finding the sum, you just got to add those all up. That's it. Skipping 14 and 15, on to 16. Just like the previous one we did, we're finding the sum of the series. So you just, again, have to add them up. That's all you got to do. Okay, number 17, we're wanting to write the arithmetic rule. Okay, remember arithmetic rule is a to the n equals the first term plus the set of n minus 1 times d, which is the difference. You know, what is the difference between every one of these numbers? Find the pattern. That goes here. First number goes there. You're just wanting to write it in this format in your box. That's all you got to do is to write the rule. Okay, number 18. Find the sum of the first 12 numbers in the arithmetic sequence. Now, right here is your formula that you need, okay? And we also want you to be sure to find the 12th term. So you're going to plug 12 in here and here, okay? Using this set of numbers. Just plug in what you know. On to number 19. They want you to write a rule again in the geometric sequence. Here's your geometric sequence. Okay, a to the n equals the first term, which would be this guy here, times the r. The r is, remember, take the second number, put it over the first one, reduce the fraction, figure out the pattern, put the number over the previous number, and then n minus 1. And that, my friends, is the end of your test. If you have any questions, make sure you let me know. Good job.